everyone. This is Life Coach Ishneet Sharma from Soul to Soul Talk with Ishneet, and I welcome you all on this show Wellbeing by PBN. Well-being. So we are going to look after ourselves. Something very important in well-being is your dreams. Your life is made up of your dreams. How important are dreams for you? I believe for all of us, dreams are very important. When we wake up in the morning, we work for our dreams, and I believe that daydreamers are also very good. When you daydream, what you are doing, you are actually making your imagination work for you. And when your imagination works for you, when in your imagination you can live the life that you want, you are going to achieve it. One thing that you have to add to your imagination is the action. You have to take action. You have to give birth to your dreams. Do you know how a mother gives birth to a child? The mother actually sustains the child for 9 months, takes care of the child, knows what the child needs, takes every action which will fulfill the needs of the child, does nothing which will harm the child. Similarly, you have to birth your dreams. Your dreams are like your babies. You have to look after your dreams, you have to take care of your dreams, and you have to make them a reality. Today, I give you a challenge. Any dream that you have, just imagine that, believe in that, go for it, take action, and your dream is going to become a reality. Believe you me, I have made many my dreams true, and in case you have any questions and queries about it, you can definitely get in touch with me. Also, one very important thing about dreams is that there are other people who don't understand your dreams, who tell you that this dream would not be achievable, you can't do it. Just ignore them, completely ignore them. Believe in yourself. Look yourself into that dream as a reality. Just imagine and feel yourself living that dream day in, day out. It should be so real that you don't even realize the difference between your dream and reality. When you'll start imagining it so beautifully, when you will work for it, when you will get that sense of fulfillment out of your dream, you will certainly achieve it. This is so beautiful. When you achieve your dreams, imagine yourself, take your mind into that state of being achieved that dream. Think and imagine that how will you feel, how will your relatives talk to you, how will the people who are so important in your life tell you that wow, you have done it, you have made it. Achieving that dream would be so fulfilling. So go for it, do it, and I wish you all the best. In case you are planning to achieve a big dream and need somebody to support you, I, Ishneet Sharma, is always there with you. You can get in touch with me, you can leave your questions in the comment box, I'll get in touch with you. And this is Life Coach Ishneet signing off from Wellbeing by PBN. Take care, God bless you, have a wonderful day.